Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset for your headphones JBL Tune 570. And we have to start by turn off these headphones. At the bottom of the right ear cup we have power button, so you need to press and hold this power button and we just turn off it. After that, you need to press and hold power button again, but you not only turn on these headphones, but enter to pairing mode. So press and hold power button until this LED light flashed blue. Firstly we turn on it, and then we keep holding it. And here we go, we just enter pairing mode. And then you press at the same time volume up button and volume down button for at least 5 seconds. So press and hold it, and this LED light flashed white. Here we go. Now we can release the finger. And firstly we need to remove these headphones from the phone. So go to the settings, Bluetooth or connected devices. And right here you need to click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Then forget this device and forget device. If you have Android, click pair new device after that. And now, after factory reset, these headphones enter to pairing mode automatically, so we see it at the device list and just tap on it and we reconnect it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!